Don't say anything crazy. How do you pronounce this? Okay. Well, I think an Uber may be more cost effective than having a chauffeur. I think. I don't know. I think. But hold on. Let me try to figure this out. So it's saying I'm still trying to wrap my mind around like all this service stuff. But create a service, add air handling to all Firebase operations and services. So line service, wrap what the changeover service. Yes. And then I have a product service and the quiz service and this. So these already exist. Air recovery for cache operations. And then it just has this. I don't know what this is. And then implement retry logic. What is this word? Transient? Wait. How does that apply here? Oh, short-lived stuff. Oh, okay. So like reads and writes, but so component error handling to all subscribe calls, blah 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 blah. Add user feedback for all. Okay. Handle error validation. Cool, cool, cool. What? New errors. And then do that. Sure. Let's see what this does. And I have it backed up. So, like, if it does just destroy the entire code base, I'll be fine. There is something else that I want to implement, though, but I don't know if I'll be able to do it in this stream. Why would 5 doors be a smart thing to have? Wait, hold up. 3 doors? I'm so confused. What? Wait, wait. The trunk does not count as a door. Huh? Y'all count that as a door? That doesn't. No. No, I'm not. No, that doesn't count. No. There's no way. Okay, then the hood counts as a door. What? No. You would search a 4 door car. It's called 4 door sedan. What? Oh, never mind. Oh, what y'all call a 5 door? We call a hatchback. Never mind. That makes sense. Okay. That made all the sense in the world. Okay, I get what you're saying now, but still, no, it's a 4 door. It's a hatchback. Yeah, that cleaned it up though. No, it's not a 4 door hatchback. It's just a hatchback. Hatchback is simpler. 5-door? A two-door hatchback thing? No, it's just called a they don't have two-door hatchbacks. Hold up. Two-door hatchback. Oh, wait. It's just a Mini Cooper. Or wait, wait. There is a you know how like Kleenex is like for like encompasses all of tissues? Mini Cooper for literally everything. But there's like a classification for this, and I don't know what it is though. Clubman? I don't know what a clubman is. Oh, it's a Mini Cooper. I didn't know that. See, Mini Cooper is just like a I don't know, it's like Kleenex, but just for like, I don't know, small cars, smart cars. No, this isn't really like a smart car, but why would why? This is weird. What all have you done? Okay, I'm just letting it do what it's gonna do. I wonder. Wait, opened. Wait, what the heck? Oh, this is hideous. What is this? To cleanse my eyes. Just to cleanse my eyes because I don't know what I just saw, but I need to see something that's gonna destroy the ozone layer, honestly. What is this? Actually, I really do want a truck with this frame. This frame is actually beautiful. The older Fords, the box Fords or whatever, solid, solid frame, timeless classic. I'm not really all for the lift kits or whatever, but or any of this, but you know. Actually, wait. What? They don't have what? It's just F-150s. What? That doesn't exist. Is squatted trucks. Hey man, you can't say that out loud. Well, where I am, you can't say that out loud. Hold up. I forgot like what the English name for it is though. All right, let's see what all this did and how it's affecting the app. I hope this doesn't like destroy anything because mm. Oh, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. When did you start using emojis? What the heck? Okay. Enterprise grade air handling system. Wow. Thank you. You know, over this weekend I went to a Bucky's. Okay. So, what? Dashboard problems form. Uh, is there any user feedback when saving note for save? Uh, no, I don't think I've ever bought Bucky's merch though. I think that's more of like a tourist thing. Like if you're not from Texas, then yeah, you would buy like a Bucky shirt or something. But like if you're from Texas, why would you buy? That's like being from New York and buying like an I love New York shirt. Why would you do that? No one does that. Uh, report has no user feedback for doing that. Let me add comprehensive error support. Yes. So now I would never. Yeah, I would never do that unless it's like a free shirt. Cool, but like I would never go out of my way buy a Bucky shirt. That makes no sense. What? That's like buying a shirt that says I'm black. Just look at me, duh. Like, wait. No one from Texas does that. That's actually from Texas. No. Sir. Hold up, 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 hold up. I revert everything that I say. Hold up. Wait, time out. If this exists, I retract everything that I said. It doesn't exist. Never mind. Never mind. I would wear Bucky's overalls if they had it, but they don't have it. So, yeah. How long have I been live on YouTube for? 14. Cool. Let's see if this does what I wanted to do. Okay, core. What the heck is this core stuff? I don't like this at all. Well, it needs to be like better. That's the thing. I'm gonna ask him to do this next because I don't feel like refactoring all that stuff. But what I wanted to do next is refactor or like restructure the file hierarchy, which is like you know how like in Next.js there's like a pages. Well, it's here too, but how there's like a pages folder for pages, and then there's like a component. It's recommended to have a component folder for components. I want to do that, but for this Angular project. Uh, what the heck is this? Anyways, how would I word this? Wait, it would be, I want to, uh, mm, e- let me make a new thing. Uh, I'm gonna clean up the file section of my application. I want to, mm, let's try this. Okay. This is just too much breakbeat. Where's the where's the stuff? Hold up. This is horrendous. I feel like breakbeat has just taken over all of the good music. Not that breakbeat is bad, it's just it's too much. Okay, so what this wants to do is move all pages into a call pages. All readable. Well, hold up. It did it. It did it. I think, kind of. Well, I don't know, because profile already exists in there. Uh, I'm gonna copy and paste what you just said. Well, okay, fine. Let's do this. How? Mini? SQ? What the heck is that? Squish? True. I don't know what I'm gonna name this commit. Whoa, I don't know what I'm gonna name this commit now because there's 17 files that have been. Changed. Oh, I died. What the heck? Hey. Oh, left. Oh, this is just all break beats. There's no more drum and bass anymore. It's just all break beat. Man, what happened to the genre that I love? And what is this core stuff? Hello? Sure. Well, I know drum and bass artists, but like if I make a radio or like put it on autoplay or whatever, it's just gonna the heck? It's just gonna start playing break beats. And like YouTube Music doesn't know the difference. It just views like EDM as just all just one big genre. It sucks. Well, YouTube Music doesn't suck. It's just that how it classifies different genres suck. See, okay, yes, but then it'll get confused. It'll get confused because, like, yes, this is like old drum and bass, but like, there's not much difference between this and break beats. But liquid, like, drum and bass has evolved so much that it doesn't sound like this anymore. Like, if I play Netsky right now, it's not gonna sound like this. It does, but it doesn't. Whoa! Hello. Is it done yet? Let's see what this did. Do you see that? You guys, do you see that? Something's broken. I don't know what's broken, but something is broken. What is this? I'm so upset. And it now is not redirecting. Wow, thanks. Okay, so like now it wants to redirect. That's odd, don't you think? Um, does it matter though? Cause like they can just make new accounts out of nowhere. Yeah. literal pennies and taking time out of your day, it's not worth it. So I mean, I don't know. At least does it look good? Oh, this looks so much better. Oh, yeah, this feels so much better to like look at. Because before it was ugly. What is this? What the heck? Oh nah, clean this up. Make this an actual thing. Uh, all right, fine. I'm getting off. Oh, did it work? Yeah, maybe. Wait. All right, cool. But does it work the same? I don't really care. Uh, yeah, I do. Okay, cool. So let me look and think about this for a second. Give me a second. Like, what else can I change in the meantime that'll like mean a lot? So there's this fun chatters without a verified must have followed more than where is that at? What? What setting is that? How do I know that it's on? Where's it at? Wait, there's an unbanner. Whoa, wait, I want to see what who this is. What? Unban request. Do you auto ban all? What's Idris? Idris developers. What is that? Some people don't have phones. You got to be considerate. What is Idris though? Is Idris a language? What the heck is this? Uh, let me close this. Require. What was it before? Because it keeps on doing the same thing. Because they keep on like finding different like ways to. It's confusing. Uh, okay, we'll just do that. Fine. Um, let's test it to see what this looks like. Testing line, test product. Boom, boom, boom. Man. All right, fine. Cool. So I love it. Wait, can you see all the ones that I've banned before? Why am I lagging? You guys see lag? Okay. So like, okay, testing. Wait, no. What the heck? This looks so cool. Oh, I love it. Oh. Also, I have a question about this. Is there anything in the code base that uh, because like the problem that I see is that like say for example what happened yesterday was like well what happens a lot of the time is that like if I wait too long to submit a line report it'll like automatically go away and then I'll have to like search for it again even though like it's still ongoing and it's like listed as completed in like this. Let me show you. No, like this right here. This one was shown as like completed when it wasn't. So, oh my gosh, are marked as is active. There's no scheduled cron job or automatic. Hmm. Okay, fine. Cool. I don't see where. Just block the word. I don't see where the list is. There is a like a banned word list. I forgot what or where to view it at though. Is there such thing as caching too much? I know that. Um, one last thing. Okay, one last thing. Uh, does it actually work though? Kinda no. Oh. Hold up. Yeah, this chicken is right because what I'm about to do may break this entire thing. This may break the entire application. The state of the line, just guessing why it wouldn't show. Okay, so like if I'm in my browser on my phone, what? Okay, it's too loud. If I'm on the browser in my phone, and like say for example, I wait until 5 hours later, there's no telling if it'll still be there. It may be there and it may not be there. And I can't pin down what's making it clear or not. Yes, it's ongoing, but like if I go back to like create the line report button to like pop it back up, sometimes it'll be there, sometimes it won't be. And like I just asked, there's no like automatic like auto complete the line report or something like that. I don't know what would be causing that. I don't know if it's the browser that I have on my phone. I don't know. Well, there is no filtering of the list. It's like an expiration of the data. I'll just do a better job on like yeah. Why is this here though? I don't think I want to do this anymore. This is kind of redundant. And just have this live at the top of here. Wait. Yeah, this doesn't make sense. The uh you know what? You know what? I don't want to do that. I would rather manually code that than just have AI do it because there's a certain way that I want that to be done. It's not gonna be too hard, but like for AI to do it and just to wrestle with it would probably be too much hassle. So what I do want to do is this. I would want AI to do this because I don't want to do this cloning stuff. And this cloning stuff was actually just like irritating. Um, I just hope it doesn't get confused with this thing right here. I only wanted to populate the stuff here. Claude has been smarter though recently, so I'm gonna see what it says. But this is the last thing that I'm doing because I'm kind of sleepy and yeah, it's like 2 o'clock. Uh, this appears to be navigating to a standalone launch rather than opening up. Let me. Okay. I don't hate this. But wouldn't this just be a function? Is it not a function? Get it? Set it? Whoa. Hello. Clone service. So it gets this one document data. Yada yada yada. Ooh, that sounds fun. Question though, have you like used the project that you were like productive on? Have you used it since you stopped coding on it? It would be a nice opportunity to use it in real life right now. Oh, how far have you gotten? I thought you had like got to like an MVP state. How you described how productive you were. Oh man, so I guess there's no more lyric project anymore. When was the last time you even worked on that lyric project? I remember you sharing it, but I haven't heard anything since. When's the last time you worked on it? Uh, that makes sense. That's on the dash, right? That's on the dashboard. Equal. Um, how has it come along? What's up, chat? You okay? Almost. Just minus the billions and trillions of dollars that come with it, right? 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 What are you missing? That's if it has clone data. Oh, because it doesn't exist anymore. Right there. Good. And a boat. uh, wait a second. Wait a second. Only. See this right here. Coordinator. This. Set line doc changes. Don't hate it. A tool shed. Just to park my fifth Ferrari. Don't check for if we have cloned. Okay. That makes sense. Yeah. Right. What's up? Come here. Come here. Come here. You think too much. Come here. All right. Fine. Uh, let's try it out. Oh gosh. Wait. Let's try it out. Oh god. Oh, I'm gonna have to kill it. Sorry. Chat is so autonomous. He would just get his own food. He's a hunter at heart. So, I mean, right, chat? Oh, yeah, never mind. Sorry. What does that mean, though? Because how does that work? Millions of won. So, like $40 in a dream. Touche. Touche. Okay. So, please don't throw any errors. Please. Please don't throw any errors. Okay. So, I'm going to go here. Clone. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Wait. What? What? Oh, so it's not gonna do it. Dang. Awesome. Okay. Well, I mean, it works. I'm gonna commit that. And then I don't know. NG NG build. I think that's kind of it for now. But I'll put this on the docket for the next time that I do stream is let me go to the thing. I want to rework this whole thing to where this route is basically this at the top and I get to select, well, maybe not this, you know, like copy and paste, but basically I get to choose between like F4, F1, F3, F2, and it shows all this stuff. And I have to go back here and this doesn't exist anymore. I think that's what I want to do because the dashboard should really just have this and then the line reports like that. And this old style of line reporting was kind of just a placeholder and it doesn't have any purpose anymore. And I never go here anymore. So, I mean, 6 months is a stretch. Probably 8 months, honestly. Um, I can't hear anything. The heck is this? Okay. But yeah, that's gonna be on the docket for the next time I stream. But um, in any case, thanks for being cool. Thanks for joining. I'll be back. I don't think so. I don't think so. And even then, I don't know where to check. Oh gosh, I'm dropping frames. Hello? Hello? How? How? Wait, what? How? Do I have donations or whatever? What? I haven't. Wait, shouldn't that show up in like the activity feed or whatever? Oh god, wait. You can't see it. Shouldn't that show up in the activity feed or something? Oh, is it? Didn't y'all tell me there was like a certain threshold of like hundreds of dollars that you had to get to make withdrawable money or something? I don't know where to check it that at. But thank you for subscribing. But I don't know where to check that stuff at. You know what? Y'all are joking. I may just have like a hidden amount of money somewhere from Twitch, like $1 million just from Twitch without even checking it. Cause I don't know. I I don't know. Anyways, I just have an entire house just sitting in my PayPal account. But oh well. Oh well. I'm gonna go to sleep now and get a few hours of sleep. But thank you. Um Yeah. Let's do the thing. Let's do the thing.